Hello beautiful people, happy new year once again. How are you doing today? I hope you're good. In today's recipe we will be deep frying juicy chicken. Let's get into it. In my bowl here I have a large quantity of soft chicken. The chicken is fresh. I'll add in salt and add in lots of water to top it. And now we are going to wash this one by one. The salt will help to remove any slime or any dirt. And I'll be transferring this to my sieve. This will help it to drain the water. And we'll repeat this washing process about 2 to 3 times. We'll sieve out all the water completely from it and we'll transfer it back into our bowl. And I'll add in salt, add in black chili pepper, dry thyme leaves, barbecue spice, onion powder, and a mixture of chicken seasoning, garlic, and ginger. And we're going to mix all this in to cook properly. If this was to be hard chicken, I will have to boil this before frying it, but because it's soft chicken, we'll be frying it directly after mixing it in. For the salt, be careful with the salt. So obviously you cannot have a taste of this because this is raw meat, so I will suggest you do not add lots of salt and seasoning initially. If you're not sure, you'll have to fry 1 or 2 and ascertain if the salt and seasoning is enough. Then if it's not, you go ahead and add in more salt and seasoning to the bowl. I already have a pot on heat with oil. I'll bring in 1 onion ball and some garlic cloves. This will flavor the oil and also add some good taste to your chicken. And we'll bring in the chicken one by one gently. Be careful so that you don't cut yourself. We're going to fry this chicken for about 15 minutes. When it's about 7 minutes, you have to turn it to the other side so that it doesn't end up cooking only one side. And you see our onion ball, it has opened up. That's still fine. And this is after 15 minutes. This chicken looks brown enough for me. If you want it to be more brown, you have to allow it some more time, but keep an eye on it so that it doesn't burn. And we'll take this off from the heat. This is the type of chicken that is juicy, very juicy on the inside and crunchy on the outside. This is well cooked, well cooked. I want to appreciate all my subscribers, the new and the existing ones. You guys make my day worthwhile. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much and God bless you richly. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Please also like and share this video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And we'll repeat the same process. When adding salt and seasoning to your bulk chicken frying, please add in a little if you're not sure. Then fry 1 or 2 initially, and if it comes out okay, go ahead and fry the rest. But if it needs more adjustment, then you can also go ahead and add in more salt and seasoning so that you don't fry the whole bulk and you come out and it's way too salty or too seasoned. That is not what you're looking out for. And we're transferring this into our bowl. Look at how juicy this chicken is. You can eat this chicken, you can snack on this chicken, you can add it to your rice, to your stew, or to your salad, or any which way you want to have it. You can serve it to your visitors. It can become a whole meal with just a glass of juice or whatever appeals to you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.